Hello, my name's Tony Haynes. I'm from Conk, Ohio. I did a bunch of research looking into, the PDR system and the whole 9 yards, and I spent a bunch of time on the internet checking with people, and I called a bunch of people that were actually involved with Dwayne's system before. And I can tell you right now, if any of you are looking at doing this, the one-on-one aspect is what really turned me on. Dwayne's been here every step of the way, the whole time. I have any problems, I look at him and say, "Hey Dwayne, what do you see?" And he shows me, and it's really, really good. I mean, it's not high pressured, nothing like that. He's taught me how basically when I walked in here, I knew nothing about body work or fixing dents, and right now I wouldn't be afraid to take on, small dings, and creases and stuff like that. And I'm not ready to sell my work yet. I mean, the most important thing from what I see is when I get home, I need to practice, really hone my skills. But I'm not worried one bit about getting back and learning how to do this. The biggest reason why I chose Dwayne is the aluminum part of things. The guy really knows what he's doing. We put a couple dents in, and I mean, it was minutes, and he had the dent out, put the light on it, and you learn how to, the biggest thing with Dwayne is he really teaches you how to, run your light. I'm not going to tell you all the tricks that he teaches you. I mean, that's something you need to do when you get here. But he has showed me a dozen tricks that I'd almost guarantee 100% you're not going to find out at other places, especially when it comes to aluminum. He showed me how to set my system up to where I can even take, dents out of aluminum. And if you'd have told me 10 days ago, my first day after I got done, I went back to the hotel and I'm like, boy, I made a big mistake. I'm horrible at this. The first day, I don't even think I finished a dent. But then the second day, I finished a couple, and each day it got gradually better. And every day, he's training you something different. And like I say, if you're really looking at doing this and making a career out of it, this is a place to come. Dwayne's 100% serious about what he does and how he teaches his guys. And there's a process to everything. And once you learn the process, I think I can go home and in a month from now be 100 times better, a month after that 100 times better. I'm not putting a deadline on when I'm going to go out and try and make a full-time job out of this. I'll know when I know, and that's what Dwayne even told me. You'll know when you're ready, based off of your work and what you do. But there is no doubt, if you're looking at coming and doing something like this is the guy to come to. And aluminum is where everything is headed. We all know that. We see that with Ford. It's just a matter of time. I mean, miles per gallon, aluminum's what you're looking at. So if you want to really learn this craft, I believe the future is in aluminum, and Dwayne would be your guy. So if you're looking to do this, don't be afraid. Jump in it with both feet. Follow his process to a T. Come in every day, willing to learn. Don't think you know anything, because trust me, when it comes to fixing dents, you probably don't, even if you're a body man. I hate to say that. And my buddies back home that are body men they're gonna squawk at that. But it's a fact. I talked to a guy last night that I've known my whole life that's a body man, and we went over a couple of things that Dwayne showed me. He's like, I've never seen a PDR guy do this. And he's been in the business for going on 30 years. I've never seen a guy do those things. So there are tricks to this trade, and if you want to learn them the right way, you need to book and come with Dwayne. It's just that simple.